Um, Today is the 24th of November, and I am here with my girlfriend. That's Mayette, and we are here by the middle of not Paradiplatz, but Bahnhofstrasse, and you can see the Globus. The Globus. You see the Globus over there? That's the famous shopping mall in Zurich. That's the famous shopping mall in Zurich. And now we are waiting for the lightning of Bahnhofstrasse, which is what is the motif of the lightning nowadays? Is it the Lucy or another thing? So anyway, we are here before the lightning of Bahnhofstrasse, and this is what we are going to wait until it comes. A lot of people, as you can see. I will switch to the people. See, the people are here. And that's my girlfriend, Mayette. The people are... Oh! Wow! So this is it. This is the lightning in Bahnhofstrasse. That's why a lot of people are here. Wow! On the 24th of November. At about 5 to 6 o'clock in the evening. So now we are here. And I will switch to me. And here I am. See, at the back of my back is the lightning. And yes, people are started to drift away after the lightning. So this is it. First experience in Zurich City, Bahnhofstrasse. Yeah, the lightning.